Morning everyone, we've got James from Power Systems Australia, located in Laverton, North Victoria. We're here today to show you another old stock unit which we're going to clear at a discounted rate. It's an AKSA AJD33. For those of you who don't know who AKSA is, I'm going to put a link down below for their corporate video. Please check it out. Now this unit has a John Deere 3029 DF diesel engine coupled with a McCulty alternator, producing 30 KVA prime, 20 KVA standby. It'll give you a little over 46 amps, 3 phase. Now the unit does have its own base fuel tank, which is 70 litres, which will give you a minimum of 8 hours at 100% load rate. Sound attenuated, weatherproof canopy, ready to go outside, or you can put it under cover to prolong the life of the canopy if you'd like. Battery charger and block heater circuit on board, which is standard across all of our AKSA units. There is low current level sensors on board, electronic fuel sensors. It does have the DSE 6120 Mark II controller. Now we run DSE electronics components across all of our generators here at Power Systems Australia. If you don't know much about DSE controllers, I'm going to put a link below in the video so you can check them out. Now once again, even though this is a 2018 model, we're still going to offer the full John Deere factory warranty, McCulty warranty, and Power Systems Australia warranty. Now it is our last AJD33, that's in stock on the floor. We aren't stocking these anymore on the floor at our head office or around Australia. Unit is obviously ex-stock, ready to go, can be delivered nationwide. Please get in contact with us if you need a delivery quotation to be done. Contact us on 1300 453 054. www.powersystemsaustralia.com.au, or please feel free to check out our Machines For You website with the link down below.